Seconds with Femi correct pidgin yarnings now they do. And waiting with a look today now VAR, video assistant referee. That television where they use for World Cup, we say any small thing will happen. Referee don't run, go look that television, see whether na penalty, I been an offside. Premier League or got them, they don't sit down, they don't agree. Say this VAR next season, we must carry and come Premier League. Before them in the do Badowski say no, so if you do our Premier League, we don't need VAR. But now season don't start, season never even go half self. They don't see say oh boy, it gets some kind of players for this with Premier League. Where we say small touch, when you touch them, they go they roll up and down like say person don't break their leg. It gets some kind of players where we say the way they go fall, you go to say na 911 go na jam them. But na small hand they touch them. They go just deceive referee here. Referee go they give red card and yellow card and penalty set. And even offside goal go just happen. So they say okay, maybe VAR come. Now me they ask this morning, you think say a good thing for VAR to come Premier League? And if you come Premier League, which club players where you think say VAR go catch where?